HashUp is a cloud mining platform that offers investment options, but it also gives you a 3-hour free faucet that gives you free hash rate. The insane return on investment rates for investment options makes me very wary about actually investing into this. But it seems like if you could be consistent with the free faucet, you can actually build something up over time. And with proof of withdrawal from a community member in my Discord, I felt like this was worth sharing with you all. So if you look on the bottom right, you can see Faucet. So I'm going to click that. And you can see I have 13 total hash rate. I've done 8 claims. My last claim was 1. So let's scroll down a little bit. Wait a second. We'll hit claim hash. And it looks like it gave me another one. You know, you can see I've only had the platform for a few days. It's never given me more than 2, but this is free. And you can see now that my cooldown is 2 hours and 59 minutes. And it does say spin to win 1 to 20 hash randomly every 3 hours. But until somebody hits more than 2 hash, I'm going to have to see it to believe it. And now you can see that I have 14 hash with 9 claims, and my last claim was 1. So that's really easy, right? So let's show you how to use this hash rate. So head to mining. And you'll see you have all these coins. You have Bitcoin Cash, BNB, and we'll scroll down. I'm doing Doge. The only reason I'm doing Doge is because the withdrawal limit is 0.1, which is a little less than 2 cents. Now, Bitcoin, you have to have 4,500 sats, which is closer to like $5. And when you're a free user like me, it's going to be a lot more realistic to get to 2 cents than it is $5. But anyway, you can see I have this slider slid all the way to the right where it says 100. That means I'm using all of my hash rate to go mine Doge. And you can spread this across multiple coins, but I wanted to do a withdrawal and record that to show you guys how it's done. But if you come to withdrawal, I'll just show you real quick. And I'll break this down in more detail in a future video. And you can see in the withdrawal tab, they have every coin and each one has a different withdrawal minimum. And there's Doge right there, 0.01. And then after I do my first withdrawal, I'm going to spend a day on each coin and see if there's one that earns more than the other or if they all earn the same thing. And as far as paid options go, let's click on deposit. You can see that it says 270% APR, which is obviously really high. And you can see that 100 hash rate is worth $1. So that means 1 hash rate is worth a penny. So every time you click on that faucet, it's worth 1 or 2 pennies. But I'm honestly making this video for the faucet terahash. I don't think investing in this is wise. I have no idea how long it's going to last, and I would be surprised if you made your total return on investment. Now, in the future video, if it's still around, I might put $5 or $10 in, show you guys how to do it, but I'm going to have to trust this a little more first. But remember, I'm doing these for a channel tutorial and to just show you how it works. I would not make a big investment on this, period. Please do not put more than you can afford to lose. Next, if you click the Friends tab, you can see it has a referral link, which you can also see on the screen, obviously. And if you use this link, you get a free 2 hash per second. The person who gets their code put in gets another 2 hash per second. And if you scroll down here, you can also see that if somebody does invest and they put your code in, you'll receive 2% of that as well. But using my referral link is an easy way to help out the channel. Gives me 2 hash per person that puts in my code. And will definitely help me get my withdrawal video out sooner. Another thing I wanted to show you, so if you see on the bottom right where it says 206, if you click that, it actually takes you to a Telegram chat. And you can see me, I've been trying to talk to them all day, and it looks like the administrator has come and talked to somebody today. But we'll see how this goes. This is going to be a work in progress. And you can see I had somebody try to use my referral code earlier. Maybe there was an issue because I've had other people in my community have their codes work. But if the code doesn't end up working, it's not a big deal. I kind of just want to get this video out so that you can have this free faucet hash and maybe we can get some free crypto. So I don't really know how long this is going to last, but the 3-hour faucet is actually pretty fun for me. And in a couple weeks, I'll do a full breakdown of this platform, at least from the free side of things. So look for a withdrawal tutorial as well as like an earnings tutorial per hash per second. But like I said in the very beginning, I thought the free faucet made this worth to share to everybody. And just want to say one more time, do not invest big into this. Please, I feel like you'll lose your money. But maybe I'm wrong and, all of us free users get some free crypto over time and we all win. And I just kind of feel like I have to say that, don't take anything I say as financial advice. I just break down the math and show it to you and you guys can make all your decisions. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for ways to get free crypto and Bitcoin, and fingers crossed that this one works. And thanks to everybody who watches my videos and puts in my referral codes. It definitely gets these videos out a lot faster. And it is greatly appreciated. And until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.